dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. This is D'Andrea Renee, and we are doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, everyday type of look. So let's jump straight into it. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. So we are going to go ahead and do these brows, because what is a makeup tutorial without brows? But I'm not going to include that. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So if you're interested, I will post my tutorial down below, but I'm going to go ahead and knock these brows out, girl. Alright, so I will be starting out with my eyes. I'm taking my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I'm taking the color Sweet Tea, and I'm just putting that above my crease. So I'm taking a really fluffy brush and putting that above my crease. Now I'm taking a more angled brush, and with the color Old Fashioned, I'm putting that directly into my crease. So grabbing an eyeshadow brush, I am using the Ice Pop color, and I'm just packing that onto my lid everywhere below the crease. Now I want to tone this color down just a tad, so I'm going back into my Old Fashioned and packing that on top of my eyelid. Now this has got to be some of my favorite cheap liquid liner. I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just making a thin lining of my eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. I love these lashes, you guys. So I just popped those on, and I'm going ahead and moisturizing my face with my Pond's moisturizing cream. I love this stuff. If your face is really dry, it makes your face feel amazing. So now I'm just going to prime my face. I'm using my Tarte Smoothing Primer. Following that, I am using my L'Oreal True Match Glotion. This is a natural glow enhancer, so I'm just popping that on top of that primer. Using one of my favorite cheap drugstore foundations, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the color Tan, and I am taking my Morphe foundation brush and just buffing that into my skin. Baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No. So to set that foundation, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Toffee, I believe, and I'm just using one of my favorite brushes from Morphe. You guys, you have to get this brush. I will list all of the products down below, but this is one of my favorite powder brushes, and I'm just setting that foundation. So I've been looking a little tired, and I feel like I need a little extra coverage underneath my eyes. So I am taking the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just highlighting all of the areas that you typically highlight when you're doing your makeup. So this will be my first coat of concealer, and I'll go back with a lighter color. Using my beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. So to actually brighten the under eye, I am using my NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer. This is my favorite concealer, you guys, but it's really, really thick. So you really have to blend this concealer out. So I'm taking my Morphe G2 brush and doing that, but it's such a great concealer, you guys. Like, it's just amazing. If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the thing. And just to be sure that I'm extra blended, I'm going back in with my beauty blender and just blending. That they don't love you like I do. So to set my under eye, I will be taking my Maybelline Revolution Banana Powder and just setting that. And after letting that sit for a little bit of time, I'm just taking a clean brush and dusting that away. This brush is probably not even clean, y'all. Don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like excited to try this new Sigma chisel and contour brush, and I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette. This is a cream contour, so I did go a little heavy, you guys. This was my first time using it, and I put way too much product, so I had to blend it out so much. So make sure you go light-handed so you won't be like me, having to do a little bit more extra work than you have to. And so I'm just blending that cream contour out with my contouring brush. And so to just further blend, I'm taking my Morphe foundation brush and just blending those harsh lines, because you do not want harsh lines, y'all. Now my contour color came down a little bit further than I wanted, so I just went back in and added a little bit more brightness to my forehead. So I like a sharper type of contour line, so I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey and just defining that contour a little more. And of course you want to blend that out and set it with your setting powder. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. So while that's setting, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Rose Blush, and I'm just going to kind of mix those two colors together and put them on the apples of my cheeks. Yeah. So I'm just brushing that setting powder away, and now it is time to highlight. I am using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the color Molten Gold, and you just want to highlight all of the areas that you concealed earlier. So to make my eyes pop just a little bit more, I like to take that highlight and put it into my tear ducts, and then I go in with my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. I really like this mascara. Some pretty decent mascara for a drugstore. So now moving on to lips, I am using my CoverGirl Darling Kiss lipstick. This is a really pretty pink. It really went well with the eyeshadow color. And then I'm just going to set my face with my setting spray. And here's my finished product. And they can tell you anything you want to hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. If you guys are interested in this complete get ready with me, I will leave the link down below for my video for this hair install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me, but she don't.